let's just say, man, it's been pretty rough putting this kit on. So I just started. What we're gonna go ahead and do right here is drill all the holes out a little bit bigger. We're gonna go ahead and start drilling these holes out a little bit bigger. As you guys can already see, I already started on these 2 holes right here. What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're just tuning in, I appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll go ahead and wait. You hit it yet? I'm still waiting. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But yeah, man, as well, turn on your notification bell for any future videos that I got coming, because I got a lot of car content coming for you guys. So right now, I've been messing around with my wife's Jeep 2018 Jeep SRT. As you guys can check it right there. So if you're just tuning in, today I'm going to go ahead and put those side skirts on that I picked up on the last video, if you guys have checked that out. The splitter and the rear spoiler. So if you're just tuning in, I went and got them color matched. As you guys can see, everything is color matched to the truck. That white color. There we go, right there. All right, and then as well as this one's gonna go on a little different. So I actually have to have I actually got some hardware that I'm going to use, man. I'll show you guys what I got here. So I actually got my, I don't know if you guys got enough light, but I got my rivets right here. And then as well as I got my bolt and washer. So these ones are actually, hopefully, because they're a little bit sturdier than what I had on my Hellcat, because it's all fiberglass stuff. Hopefully I shouldn't have any issues putting those on. But yeah, I'm going to start with the side skirt first, and then probably put the rear spoiler on. The rear spoiler is going to go on with 3M double-sided tape. I'm definitely not drilling into the rear of that boot lid or trunk lid, whatever you call it. Here in England, we call it the boot lid. Yeah, man, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of that B-roll real quick of the Jeep before I put everything on. That way you can see what it looks like, and then I'll give you a little bit of B-roll once I have it completed. So yeah, if not, let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so this is just a few items I'm going to be using to put the side skirts on and the splitter on. So I got my drill here, got my drill bits, rivet tool, riv nuts, and then bolts, washer, and of course my handy jack. Love this thing, man. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started on this, and I'm gonna put you guys on my Head Pro, that way you guys can see what I'm doing. As you guys can see outside right now, it is a little crappy outside when it comes to the weather. A little mist, but I'm still gonna try to do it anyways, man, out here. If I have to move the truck back into the garage, and I'll do that. Obviously, you guys, you see I don't have that much space to work with. The garage is not that big, but I'll get it done, and I'll make it happen. So let me go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I got my drill here. I already started. Let's just say, man, it's been pretty rough putting this kit on. So I just started. What we're gonna go ahead and do right here is drill all the holes out a little bit bigger. We're gonna go ahead and start drilling these holes out a little bit bigger. All right, I've been at this all day today, just off and on, man. Just taking my time with it. But as you guys can see, it's on. The thing I don't like about this, because it's fiberglass and this is plastic, there's a gap, there's some gaps. So there's a gap there, and then it gets tight here because that's where the bolt's at. There's like a small gap here, and then it's tight because there's a bolt. So my fix for this is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw into this, the bottom here, with some long screws. I'm gonna show you real quick. So when I went and bought these, I mean, I know some of you guys might be like, oh, that's ghetto, but watch how I'm gonna do it though. So, because I hate that gap, so these are the screws I'm gonna use right here, right? But so it doesn't look so ghetto, I'm gonna use these caps. So pretty much you put the screw through that, cap it off, so it's gonna look like, it's gonna look really clean looking. So that way you won't see the bottom of this screw right here. So, but this is the only way I think I can get them to make sure that it seats up right. So pretty much I'm gonna go through the entire thing at the bottom here, all the way up through, and then into this, and hopefully it'll pull it back. It'll pull it tight. So, all right, let's get it going. What up, guys? I'm out here still late at night putting this dang thing together. Boy, I tell you what, it's been a long day doing this, I'll tell you that much. This one was not as easy as the Hellcat. So yeah, I just wanted to turn you guys back on, man. I was getting a little frustrated today, man, with this, because it wasn't going the way I wanted to work. I guess with this whole fiberglass stuff, man, a lot of alignment stuff was an issue. Got some, it had some small minor gaps here and there on it. For the most part, I fixed everything. So I'm just putting it back together right now. As you see, the hardware I got underneath here, so that front bumper or splitter shouldn't come off at all. I had to modify the, I'll keep you in the light. I had to modify the plastic splash guard because the bolts that I put right here, the splash guard went further. It went all the way up to here, so obviously these bolts are in the way, so I had to cut out that, and just because I wanted to make sure I put that back in there. But for the most part, I'm almost done with it. The only other piece I'm gonna do, what y'all do tomorrow, is put on the splitter. So it's about 10 o'clock at night right now. I'm gonna turn you guys back off because I want to get this done. That way I can get some sleep. I'll turn you guys back on tomorrow and show you some of that B-roll after I put the spoiler on. I'll let the wife do that, since that'll be like the last touch to all the kit. Give her the opportunity to do that piece herself. So, and I'll show her how to do it. But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I appreciate you guys subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. But yeah, get back with y'all in the morning.
2,000 years later.
Finally, of course, it's still raining out here in this nice sunny England weather. But yeah, so I got the front splitter on there, the side skirts, and the rear spoiler. So you guys tell me what you guys think. I fixed the gapping issue too. The way I wanted to do it, it worked perfect. You guys can see that rear spoiler. Came out really nice. So the last bit that she needs to get is that diffuser. So it looks kind of naked in the bottom. Sorry for shaking, guys. Like I said, I'm using my cell phone. But yeah, I think she needs that diffuser back there. So I think the Track Hawk diffuser with the quad tips will look better on it. That's my opinion. But yeah. So as you guys can see, the gaps is pretty much fixed, except for in the back rear right there by that fin area. But I mean, it's just fiberglass, man. There's no way I can get that 100% perfect. But yeah, like I said, y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Leave it in the comments below. So both sides done. Got some new wheels coming for it. Hold on, let me turn around. Yeah, so we got some new wheels coming for it. They had just shipped out from the States. So we went with a 22-inch wheel. I'm not gonna tell you what wheels we got yet until they get here. But yeah, I just got tired of messing with those 24s, so we're gonna go with a bigger tire, a 305/35 22 tire. Give a little more meat, a little bit more grip, more practical, I guess you could say, for her Jeep and for her driving. But the only other thing we need to do is order some tire stickers and then put those on there. Still haven't debated what we're gonna do, if we're gonna do another stripe or just keep it black and white. I think the black and white looks pretty good on it. I mean, you guys let me know what y'all think below. But that's gonna wrap this video up, man. It's been a long video, a long journey putting this kit on, man. Like I said, it's not like my my other one, my Hellcat. But overall, man, it came out pretty good, man. Give you guys one more B-roll footage of the Jeep SRT, man. We're gonna call it a day, man. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments below, man, for things you guys would like to see, man. Like I said, man, if I could do it myself, save $1, I'm gonna save $1, man. I'd rather save $1 than spend $50 or whatever, you know, my saying. Rather save $1 than spend $50, man, and if I could do it myself, man. So it was a journey. Like I said, I was gonna try to do it, and I tried it, and I succeeded. So but like I said, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Appreciate you guys showing me love and support so far. And stay tuned to the next video, man. Got them coming.